What do you have to say? Oh, the bird's back. He wants to get Ziggy. Where's the mean bird? Ooh, it just flew by the window. Oh, there it goes. It wants to get Ziggy. Oh. There it is. Ziggy, you want to be rescued? Should we let Ziggy in? Come on, Ziggy.